In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make animated stories with ChatGPT images. By the end, you'll go from a blank page to a polished short with visuals, movement, and voice using accessible tools the whole way. First, head to ChatGPT and log in. Open a fresh chat so everything for this project stays organized. This is your production hub where you'll plan the narrative and generate the art. Start by asking ChatGPT to write a script for your story, broken into clear scenes with specific visual descriptions. Share details like genre, audience, tone, and the length you're aiming for. Ask for scene headers, what we should see in each shot, and brief notes on mood or camera perspective. If something feels off, iterate, request tighter pacing, lighter dialogue, or stronger visual hooks until each scene has a purpose on screen. Next, use ChatGPT to create images for each scene, reference the visual notes from your script, and generate a frame that captures the key moment. Keep a consistent aspect ratio for every image so editing is smooth later. If an image misses the mark, tweak the prompt to refine lighting, composition, or background details, and try again. To maintain character consistency, write a specific reusable description for your main character and paste it into every image request. Include age, hairstyle, clothing, materials, colors, distinctive features, art style, and lighting. If you use the same phrasing and style notes each time, plus similar camera distance and angle, you'll keep your character recognizable across scenes. Once you've got your images, enhance them with a tool like Pixel Cut, upscale for crispness, clean edges, even out exposure, and nudge colors so your set looks cohesive. Small adjustments here make your final video look intentional and professional. Now transform those stills into short moving clips. Add subtle motion, slow pans, gentle zooms, or a light parallax effect to give life to each frame. Aim for 3 to 5 seconds per shot and keep moves smooth so the focus stays on the story. For voices and sound, use 11 Labs to generate expressive reads of your script. Create separate audio files for each line or scene so timing is easy. Gather a few ambient sounds and simple effects to heighten key moments without overpowering the narration. Assemble everything in CapCut, import your clips and audio, place scenes in order, and align each image clip to its corresponding voice line. Trim for timing, add simple transitions, lay in sound effects, and keep any background music low under the dialogue. Do a quick color match across shots and preview from start to finish. Finally, export your animated story. Choose your resolution and frame rate, render, review the full video, and you're ready to share.